Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about your payment method has been already added to your account. How to fix this problem? First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection working properly. After this, go back, tap on general, tap on software update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. Scroll down, tap on date and time and turn on this. After this, tap on VPN and device management and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this, go back and tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction and turn off this. After this, restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If it's not working, open setting again, tap on your Apple ID, tap on payment and shipping. Here wait some second. After this, delete your card and re-enter all details of your card. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, so tap on sign out and sign in again your Apple ID. If it's not working, tap on setting in general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If it's not working, so contact with Apple support. Thanks.